That is taken by, if you look at the other end of the line, there's a fella in a striped shirt, running like the clappers. They're released from the tow line now, and that'll just stay up there. Different types of aircraft. The Goonie Bird has a central fin and a wing, just like a plank along the wings. And there's one just going out which has got fins on the tips. So you see they're all different sort of shapes and sizes, these things. Used for competitions and whatever.
I didn't know. I don't even use them.
Right, I've just had a piece of information there, and off goes the other flying wing. And here comes a vampire, it's a lovely flyer. I've never seen that thing before. It's very futuristic. Right, Eddie. I find that these gliders have different controls, where the Goonie Bird has no ailerons.
That's a glider, isn't it? That's the glider, isn't it? Up there. That white one.
And again, to say they're more difficult to fly than a full-size helicopter, simply because in a full-size helicopter, as soon as it starts tipping over or nosing over or whatever, you can feel it. Whereas these, you don't realise it's happened until it's already started. With the helicopter, it is all compensating. 50cc two-stroke engine. What we saw Dave doing there was holding the nose up, because very sophisticated, these things. There's no fuel pump installation flaps on this aircraft as well. The detail is superb. The cockpit, very well detailed.
Can you see from that level?
So you've got two chaps out here with video cameras. What we do is we video these things and then analyse them afterwards at one of the later meetings to see what it looked like. And Dave is rolling, tails up, and a nice gentle cycle. Not overpowered, but neither is the full. It does sound very nice, that. Pretty quiet engine for a two-stroke.
It's engine that one, hasn't it?
Very tight flyer. Keeping it well within view. Lovely smooth aircraft, this one. Not least, of course, that's Dave's flying as well. He's a very smooth flyer. The manoeuvre he just performed there is on a competition a couple of years ago. It's a competition that we hold every year for an aircraft that people are building over the winter. And there's nice cups and things, and it's a good night. Of course, anybody's welcome to come and watch as well. And Dave's coming in there, flaps down, nice, slow approach. Chop the engine, and a nice gentle touchdown. And that is also which was the British equivalent of the Piper Cup. Of course, what you see here is some military discipline. Dave's going to be taking off. The other chaps are waiting at the side of the runway. Wheels turning there. So very, well, I would say it's not powered aircraft, but it is. That flies in a very scale-like manner. The Piper Cub you see there, very short takeoff. Very short takeoff and landing.
Short takeoff, you say?
Attention being, of course, that it flew in and out of small fields. engine.
It's for
The
sale.
Oscar has
Just pretend. What's inside it?
Well, no, look, we go on that side.
one of the 6 rotary four-stroke. They're all roughly the same size. The Oscar is considerably cheap because the aircraft were trained to land on one wheel and round corners on roads. Very, very agile aircraft because they're flying in and out of trees. Usually camouflage on the top and the bottom because there's so much, quite often the top and the bottom of the aircraft can be seen and flying so low. As you can see, the compass just passing basically flying pretty slowly. Now these are very realistic looking aircraft when they're flying at such slow speeds.